Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use PolicyPak Scripts and Triggers Manager to set off any kind of script you want when any kind of event happens in the event viewer. Now I'm going to do kind of a goofy example. I'm going to say when you run GP update and it's successful on the user side, then open Notepad. Not a great example, but good for our learning. And now in real life, you might have an event that writes the event log when your VPN connects. And when you do that, then you can run a logon script or something like that. Now we can also do that if we have a supported VPN, but if we don't, this is a good option. You can also do it anytime anything else happens in the event log, but I'm just going to use mine as an example. So again, my example is when I look at the system events and I look for an event 1503, that means user was processed successfully in group policy land and I want to kick off Notepad. Okay, so we need to keep a few things in our head. We need to know that it's event 1503, that it's the system log, and it's the Microsoft Windows group policy source. So what we'll do is we'll create a new, so we're here in the group policy editor, go to Desktop Automation Pack and Scripts and Triggers Manager, and we'll go to New Policy here. And I'm going to have a new batch script, which is going to start notepad.exe, and I want to do it as the user and interactively. Okay, so start notepad. All right, then what I'm going to do is say my trigger is the event log, and the event log I want is the, like I said, the source is going to be the Windows system log. And then you click out, and then you pick the type, which is Microsoft group policy. So we're going to go Microsoft group policy, Microsoft Windows group policy, okay? And then you click out. So we're saying this log, this source, you don't pick the radio button here, you pick the first log and then you pick the source second. Then you can, if any of these fire off, that would do the thing, or you can pick the event ID, which is in my case 1503. So it's the only event that I want. We'll go ahead and click next here. This is the query that is we're establishing, and then we will check it out. That's all there is to it. So we'll leave the event viewer open just for a second. I'll go ahead and close out these guys here. I was doing some sample tests before. So now we can just run GP update here. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So on group policy update, provided the user side completes, there we go, Notepad. Okay, so with that in mind, this gives you the opportunity to look for any kind of event you're looking for in any event log, and when it happens on the client machine, do an action, a complex action or a simple action. Hope this video helps you out. Looking forward to getting you started with PolicyPak, Scripts and Triggers real soon. Thanks so much.